YouTube. This is my fireworks stash for this year. I hope to be getting a few more things. This year I'm mostly doing mortars because I just feel like it. I only have one 500-gram cake right now. I think that's all I'm gonna have for this year. I know I'm not made of money, but I'll just tell you what I got here. I'm really happy with what I got, so I hope you enjoy it. And this is for Goonies and Rudy. Please tell me what you think. There's at least 4 more items that I really want to get this year for my show. And I still have a lot of mortars and stuff from last year that I'm going to put in. So, here it goes. We're going to start with some of the smaller stuff. I'm going to start with these rockets here. I just got these because they weren't too bad of a price. They're called Magical Wizards. They're 6 missiles in it. They said the people that I went to US 30 fireworks. It's in the in Ohio. I live in Fort Wayne. It's only like 20-25 minute drive, give or take. So they said these were actually pretty good. They're from World Class, so I want to try those out. And then I got these Roman candles. Let's see how many there are. About 10, 11. And this is the 10 ball assorted tri-pack. 120 shots, 50 balls with assorted colors, 40 balls with crackling comments, and 30 balls with brilliant blue balls with the reports. There is one in here called the Hot Shot Roman candle. I tried that out last year. That is a good Roman candle. I like it. Then I got these big Roman candles. And they're 8 balls in each of these with 4 Roman candles in it. And it just says performance 8 shot of giant twister. So that seems pretty neat. To be honest, I do shoot these out of my hand. I know it says not supposed to, but hey, it's more fun that way, in my opinion. Alright, next, we're going to the cakes. I got 2 free cakes that they gave me for purchasing some of this stuff. I know it's not a whole lot, but hey, like I said, I still have some fireworks from last year. The Monty Python, the Mighty Python performance, 19-shot crackling comets bursting through the dark sky. There's the performance. I hope they actually look that good. So, it's by TNT. I wish we had a red apple here, like Goonies does. But we don't. We have a few good stores, but none that gave me this fan cake, which this is actually my very first fan cake I think I ever purchased. Fireworks Fiesta. And how many shots? I think it's, if I'm correct, I think it is like, I don't know. I have to count. But Yeah, that's what it looks like. It's a fan cake. Pretty nice, it looks like. Then we'll go on to, this is another TNT one. Steel Wave. Performance 8-shot of silvery comet burst into red peony and silvery glitters. Silvery comet burst into purple peony and green glitter. 8 shots. The holes are a decent size for an 8-shotter. And then we'll go here by a World Class 25-shot Massive Destruction. I'm not going to read all these, but so I saw a video of this one and it was good. It's a good heavy cake for 200 grammer. And then I got a 24-shotter by World Class called Natural Disaster. And that's the performance. So I hope I can get at least a few more cakes and everything like that. Let me put these aside. This one was a great cake. It's really heavy for a 200 grammer. Crazy exciting. By World Class. There's the performance. I think, if I'm right, I think this is the 16-shotter. It doesn't really say. Then we have Feel the Rush. This is a big 200 grammer by World Class. This is the performance. Alright. Then we have another TNT one. This is 16-shotter. This is a 350 gram. My very first 350 gram. 16 shots. Here's their performance. 16 shot of red tail to green glittering willow. Flowered tail to crackling willow. Green glittering tail to silver glittering willow. It's called Bat Out of Hell. And then we're going to go. I'm gonna put these back quick. To the mortar shells. The TNT mini artillery shell, 6 shots. The performance actually looks pretty sweet for a mini artillery shell. So I have 3 mini artillery shells. I have a mortar rack. I can't talk today. That I'm making and almost done with. I'll post that up when I'm done. And then we have, yes, it's by World Class, Sir Lancelot, which this is Excalibur, but it comes in 6 cancers instead of 24, and they had 12 of them that you could get too for a little bit more money, but since I have a lot of mortars this year, I just, yeah, you know, want to do different effects and everything. So I have I don't know what they're called. Oh, exterminators. So I have at least 6 of those too. And then we have I'm really excited about this. The Grizz Tiger Tails. 12 assorted. Those are pretty big shells. It doesn't show you what they are. It just tells you. So, but those are it right now. I will put my whole stash. Oh, I forgot my 500 gram. I'm sorry. By World Class. Guerrilla Warfare. I saw a video on this and completely loved it. So that'll be my finale. I know it's not as big as yours, Goonies, or probably Rudy's, but I'll post everything and still have a lot. So I hope you enjoy. Thank you. Bye. Please comment and subscribe.